Most drivers believe that once a new windscreen is installed, the job is done. The glass looks perfect, the seal is tight, and everything appears exactly as it should. But with modern vehicles, a flawless installation is only half the repair. Without proper calibration, your car's safety systems may not be seeing the road correctly. Here's why your new windscreen could actually be dangerous without calibration. A perfect-looking installation can still be incomplete. When a windscreen is replaced, the physical fitting is only part of the process. Many modern cars have cameras mounted behind the glass that control driver assistance systems like lane keeping and emergency braking. Modern sensors require extreme precision. The brackets holding these cameras are engineered with incredibly tight tolerances, often smaller than the width of a human hair. Even the smallest shift during installation can affect how the system reads the road. A watertight seal doesn't mean the system is accurate. Your windscreen may be bonded perfectly and structurally sound, but that doesn't mean the camera is aligned correctly with the vehicle's software. The camera might still work, but incorrectly. Without calibration, the camera can still operate, but it may interpret road markings, distances, and obstacles slightly differently from how it should. Your driver assistance systems rely on this camera. Features like lane assist, collision warnings, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking all depend on the camera behind your windscreen. A tiny misalignment can change how the system reacts. If the camera angle is even slightly off, your car could detect lane markings incorrectly or misjudge the distance between vehicles. Modern vehicles are more technology than glass. Windscreen replacement is no longer just about installing new glass. It's about restoring the technology that works through it. Calibration completes the repair. Professional ADAS calibration ensures the sensors are aligned correctly, so your vehicle's safety systems perform exactly as the manufacturer intended. If your windscreen has recently been replaced, it's important to make sure the calibration has been completed properly. At the Windscreen Company, our team can ensure your sensors are aligned and your safety systems are working as they should. Book your calibration appointment today and drive with confidence knowing your vehicle is seeing the road clearly.